Welcome to Tip Tuesday. I'm Mark Sugadona, Textile Application Specialist with Graphic Solutions Group. Today's tip, we're going to go over basic screen reclaiming. First thing we want to do is remove our tape from the screen. Card off any excess ink. Once our tape's removed and our ink is scraped off, we're going to apply Vortex Premium Ink Wash and Stain Remover with a brush. Once our ink's removed, we're going to pressure wash it off. Next step, we're going to apply the Vortex Emulsion Remover, and this is a mixed 10-to-1 ratio. So 1 part of emulsion remover and 10 parts of water. Then we're going to use a decoding brush just to work the emulsion remover in. I'll do both sides. And now we'll go ahead and pressure wash off the emulsion. We're going to use Vortex Premium Ink Wash and Stain Remover to get off any residue that's left on the screen. Final step is going to be our flood rinse. And since the Vortex Premium Ink Wash and Stain Remover has a built-in degreaser, it eliminates adding a third chemical. There you have it, 3 easy steps for reclaiming a screen. For more information, go to GoGSG.com. We'll see you next Tuesday.